This is the... Okay, this is where I went wrong before. I came out of that shop. That's where I lost my bearings. I think I came out of that shop and then just went the opposite direction. And every time I've looked at a map since, I've probably had my head upside down, checked the knockers out. So anyway, I have to get to basically I'm playing on my new GoPro. Started up this new Explorer channel, and well, basically whenever I explore, I bang the GoPro on when I get a chance, see what happens. This wasn't the plan. Maybe that's better content, who knows. Hang on. Did I just go by left? Did I just go by? And if I keep going this way and then go right, okay. So up to the top to the right. And it is a fairy tale. It definitely is. There we go on the map. That is my... This looks like an interesting street. One of the oldest pubs in Bruges. I think it may be the oldest pub in Bruges. But that's where we're heading. And thank you to Google Offline Maps. It's pulled me out of a bit of a pickle. I was pretty sure I couldn't get lost in Bruges. Having wandered the streets a few times, but it goes to show it's not even a massive place. I can find the centre. When it came to a little bit of a place where I need to be, so there, I'll get to the end of here and I know exactly where I am. So when I get to here, I'll end the video. Thanks for watching. Not what I planned. Please subscribe, click like. Other not so glossy videos will continue. One thing I like about videos on YouTube, or the Explorer ones, or the travelling ones, or that kind of thing, are the ones that aren't glossed up so much. Raw, rough. Don't mind a bit of editing. But this definitely wasn't my plan. So click like, click subscribe, share. I haven't really got a backlog to check out, but maybe in a year or so we'll have. This is the street I needed to be down. Awesome. So, thanks for watching. I'll see you again soon.